Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Say, if possible, I'll finish today. Otherwise, Monday. Okay? Say,
You have seen methods. Stream API. I think all people not understood. Just once again, I'll repeat. Say, array list, integer, AL equal to new array list. AL dot add one element. AL dot add one more element. Here, AL dot add system dot out dot println AL. Let us we are printing. Now I want to iterate one by one. Element I want to iterate. For that we used iterators at the time. Instead of iterator, we can use stream API with lambda expression. So what you can do is stream. Yesterday was stream integer yes equal to array list reference dot stream. That means all collection elements pass to stream. Stream nothing but what is stream? Flow of data from source to destination. That is starting again. So here this data, total data, 5 elements pass to stream library. With this stream, if you want to print s dot for each method is there. For each method will take consumer logic. Consumer logic it will take. Consumer logic what we have tried you study no? Say java dot util dot function. In that consumer, say consumer. In the consumer class, consumer interface abstract method. This is okay. It will take consumer for each method. Yesterday given for each method what it takes consumer. Next filter method what it takes predicate. Map method what it will take function. One more reduce. Here that is one T type comma binary operator. Now you observe, if you want to iterate use this. If you want to filter elements based on predicate logic, use filter. Each and every element if you map with other numbers, function. Reduce, either calculating sum or multiplying, at last one result comes. So here it is not fixed to one particular filter only. Any logic is applicable. Even numbers you can filter, odd numbers you can filter, greater than 40, less than 40, those who passed, those who failed, those who got distinction, those who got first class, those who got second class. Logic whatever you want you can write. Okay. Now here for each method takes consumer logic. Consumer logic what we have to write? A arrow system dot out dot println A. That's it. Now it is iterated. See, array list available in util package. So import java dot util dot star. Stream available in stream package. Java dot util dot stream. Consumer available in function package. But consumer class name I'm not using. That is the reason no need to import. See, file, save. Java C demo.java. Java demo. Now consumer place lambda expression written. Consumer place lambda expression written. That's it. Now these two lines can I write as a one line? What we would write? AL dot stream dot for each. A arrow system dot out dot println A. That's it. This is for each. Okay. If you want to filter, say if you want to filter, filter return type also stream. Filter return type also stream, no? That's what stream integer s2 equal to s dot filter. Filter will take predicate logic. Predicate always returns boolean type. The expression should be boolean type. What we have write? A arrow A modular division 2 double equal to 0. This logic, what this logic will do? It will print even numbers. It will print even numbers. See what you can do? Again s2 dot for each. For each A arrow system dot out dot println A. That's it. Now it will filter in 5 numbers. How many even numbers? 2, 70, 54. File, save. Compilation, execution. Suppose if you want to write even number, odd numbers not equal to 0, then odd numbers. File, save. See, compilation, execution, odd numbers. Suppose if you want to display greater than 40, suppose these are assumed marks, those who passed, I want to display A greater than 40. That's it. File, save. Greater than 40. Now those who failed, what do you do? Less than 40. A less than 40. Okay. Suppose those who got first class and above, 60 and above, greater than 60. Suppose less than 70, more only first class, not distinction. Again, and operator also you can use, no? Logical and. Like this, with filter function, with filter method, whatever you want you can filter. This filter is not specific to one particular task. Whichever logic applicable, that is you can write. Okay. This is filter. Map logic. Map what will be there? Each and every element. That is function logic. Map parameter what is there? Function. Function logic you can write. Suppose you want to add 5 bonus marks. You want to add 5 bonus marks. You can map. Now what will write? A arrow A plus 5. Okay. See, file, save, compilation, execution. See, for every element 5 added with lambda expression. Now this is a map. Reduce, but reduce will not return stream. Reduce will not return stream. It will return whichever element you specify. It is going to return integer now. Integer x equal to. Now s dot reduce. If you want to add, we'll use 0. If you want to multiply, 1. If you want to add 0, that is logic, binary operator logic. Any binary operator. Binary operator A plus B. Now this will, what will be happen? X. Here first what it will do is A value 0. A value 0. B value 35. 0 plus 35. 35. 35 now A. Next value 71. 35 plus 71. That result stored in A. Again 35 plus 71, this result will be the no plus 70. Like this, at last X value comes. It will reduce. To 61. Is it clear now? Now, what you do is, writing program is same. Lambda expression is different. That is only. That is number of logics you can write. Is it clear now? Any doubts? This is Stream API. But Stream API also, it is not a small thing. Library is very vast. You see? Many methods are there. You can practice also. Java.util.stream. Stream package. If you open. See, if you click. Here. This stream I given. But like this, many streams are there, you observe. See? Many streams are there. Now, if you only stream also. In stream also, how many methods are there? See? See? Subject is very vast. You take anything. Java.lang package also, hundreds of classes are there. Java.util package also, hundreds of classes are there. I taught 35 collections. 35 collection. But not only 35. 100 plus are there. Complete library, no one can learn. The way only you learn. Okay. After joining in the company, if they give any task, which class required, which method required, which package required, you have to search in Google, you have to write. The way only you have to learn. Complete library not possible to learn. Only core Java library, 4,000 classes are there. 4,000. Each class minimum 1 week it will take. 4,000 into 7 days. It will take 25 years. Okay. So that much time it will take. Java library no one can learn complete. Okay. The way I explained, with this way you change the logic, you practice. That's it. Java 8 completed. Next. Java 9 features. Java 9 or JDK 1.9 or Java SC9. All are same. Java 9, JDK 1.9 or Java SC9 features. Java 9, JDK 1.9 or Java SC9 features. First one, J shell. Second one, collections API improvements. Third one, private methods in interface. Fourth one, try with resource statement enhancements. So 4 features are there. J shell, collections API improvements, private methods in interface, try with the resource statement enhancements. J shell, collections API improvements, private methods in interface, try with the resource statement enhancements. First one, J shell. It is called as Java shell. It is called as Java shell. It is also called as read, evaluate, print, loop, REPL. Read, evaluate, print, loop. Read, evaluate, print, loop. What is that? I'll explain. It is used to learn it is used to learn Java programming language, and it is used to test logical code snippets. It is used to learn Java programming language, and it is used to test logical code snippets. It is not suitable to develop applications and projects. It is not suitable to develop applications and projects. Say, this is short form, J shell, nothing but Java shell. Java shell, read, evaluate, print, loop. What it will do is, it will read your text. If you write a small code snippet, first it will read. After reading, evaluate it. The result printed. Again it will read. That is called loop. Read, evaluate, print. Read, evaluate, print. If you write a code, it will read. That is executed. That means evaluating. After that, printing. Immediately result. Read, evaluate, print. It will be continued. That is the reason loop. What is the purpose of this one is, if you want to learn Java programming language, if you want to test your logical code snippets, this is the best one. Because suppose you want to check on small code snippet is there. Suppose this is one small code snippet. Byte A equal to 5, byte B equal to 3, byte C equal to A plus B. System dot out dot println C. Now this is I want to check. Will it compile? What happened? Java today last class almost. Will it compile? How many people answer compiles? Just raise your hand. Online students. How many people answer not compiles? So majority students no answer. Today is last class. That is first class concept. Starting first week only explain that one. Will it compile? No, it will not compile. Why it will not compile? This A is a byte type, B is a byte type. Byte plus byte, integer. Integer if you assign to byte, error. It is explicit type conversion required. It will not compile. How many conversions are there? 56 conversions. Out of 56, how many not possible? 14. How many done by system? 19. How many must be done by programmer? 23. You learn, you studied. It is today. Now only if you forget. Until you reach your target, you have to remember subject. Okay? Don't forget. So, this code snippet, suppose you want to check whether it will compile or not. You want to check. Then what you do? Can you write only this code? No. You have to write class also. You have to write main method also. In that you have to write this logic. After writing also you have to save with file name. You have to compile with javac demo.java. Later you have to execute Java demo. But this is directly you can execute with J shell. Say, I'll show you. Next, write it. To open J shell, use the following at the command prompt. C drive, type J shell. To close J shell, use the following at the command prompt. It is J shell prompt. At the J shell prompt. 1 minute. At the J shell prompt. To open J shell, use the following at the command prompt. C drive, there J shell. To close J shell, use the following at the J shell prompt. Exit. It is going to exit. So this is only suitable to learn Java, suitable to execute code snippets, but application development not possible. Project not possible. Okay. To open J shell you have to type. To close J shell, at J shell prompt, exit you have to write. Is it over? Which one? Exit? Exit slash not required. Exit method is. Now see, here J shell. Exit. Exit slash required again. Now exit slash exit. Slash exit you have to write. Yeah, slash exit. So to open J shell, use like this. To close J shell, use like this. Save. J shell, I'll open. Here, J shell prompt appears. Here, see, byte A equal to 10. Okay. Byte B equal to 20. Byte C equal to A plus B. Error. So, byte A plus B. It is nothing but from integer byte conversion required. Explicit conversion required. Then what you have to do? Byte C equal to, in the brackets, byte. Again in the brackets A plus B. Then valid. See, here what is happened? This statement print read. It will read. It will print immediately. It is evaluated, printed. See, it will read, evaluated, printed. It will read, evaluated, printed, evaluated. It evaluated, error came. Again evaluated, it will read, printed. Read, evaluate, print. It is continued. So if you want to write system.out.println, see, directly you can write only one line. Now, if you want to check welcome program, first you have to write class, main method, that one. After that, save, compilation, execution. These all not required directly. Okay. Say for loop. Integer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Now system dot out dot println I. Say 1 to 10. Code snippets you can test. Very quickly you can see the response. But otherwise you have to write the program, you have to compile, you have to execute. That to class record, main method record, then you can write. But these all directly you can write. See? Like this. Okay? Here help also is there. You can see the help. With this also you can learn. So many options are there. So here save also, list also, edit also, open, so many are there options. So this is JShell. Okay, you can close with /exit. This is only for testing your code snippets and learning Java programming language very quickly possible. That purpose introduced. Now this is first feature. Second one, collections API improvements. No done. Second feature, collections API improvements. Collections API improvements. Here new API introduced in list, set and map interfaces. See Java P java.util.list. Here extends collection. One minute. One minute. This is the problem is there. 1.8 is working. This is the reason old API is coming. Java P 1.8 working, Java C 16 working. That is the reason that API not displaying. Now okay, just see java.util.list. See, these methods are previously not displayed. These are latest version. You observe off method here, off method name of static, all static. These methods are, you observe, one element, no elements, one element, two element, three element, four elements. Here, what is this? Varox, variable arguments. Now, if you want to add elements, now Varox method introduced. So this method introduced. Now n number of elements you can pass. N number of elements. So the following methods are introduced in list, set, list and set, same method is there. I'll show you. Now write this one. List set. One minute. Is it over? So up to year old API, from year and off method only. These also many are there. So here no elements, one element, two element, like that up to 10 elements. More than 10, that is whatever I given. Next set. Set also same is there. That is just a return type set. Same. Map. Here key value pair, like this they given. Here this is the method. Write it. The following method is introduced in map. Otherwise, only map this one also we can use. K comma B like that also you can pass. If you feel this is comfortable means you can use this. Otherwise, you can use this. Write this one also. Map dot entry you studied, no? Map dot entry. While converting two-dimensional array, one-dimensional collection. While iterating, I explained. Get key, get value. Two-dimensional collection. Tree map I converted into set. While iterating that set, we use it map dot entry. Otherwise, you can go for this one also works. Iterator, list iterator, map dot entry, and comparator. These I explained more utility collections in the topic. What is the benefit with this one? I'll show you. These are collection API improvements. Say, is it over? Say, here you observe. You observe these many lines are written, no? Now no need to write one line only possible. Here, can I add two numbers like this? Can I pass? No, error comes. See, file, save. It will take only one argument, one only you have to pass. If you pass more than one, error comes. See, index out of bounds exception. Now it is nothing but what is happened is add method, one more method is there, no? Overloaded. This will take like a index, this will take like a one element. Adding at the insert. That's what here index out of bounds exception came. Suppose 3 if I pass, error comes. Compilation time only error comes. That method is not there. Okay. Now, instead of writing these all, we can use this method. Now, how to call this method? Is it instance method or class method? Class method. This method is in which interface? List. How to call? List dot off. Return type list. What you have to do is here return type list. Here integer L equal to list dot off. You can pass n number of elements. See, one line only. This one, if you want to convert into array list, you can write like this. In this constructor, you can pass list. That is converted into array list. Otherwise, this is directly you can pass here. You can pass as a parameter. Now you can print system.out.println AL. Otherwise, this is also directly you can pass, no? Directly system.out.println, that is also possible. Okay. Say file, save. Compilation, execution. Now here why unsafe came is here bracket. say compilation, execution. Now what you can do is, first you can write like this. Here list integer. Here list integer L equal to list dot of. Now here you can pass L. Like this you can write. This is, you can also write 2 lines. What you can do here, array list integer AL equal to new array list. Here list dot of. Like this you can write. Now this one you can write as a 1 line also, no? Now 1 line what we have to write? System dot out dot println new array list bracket like this. So either 3 lines, 2 lines, 1 line. Write this one. Now, if you want to make it a linked list, what do you have to do? You cannot take that is list. This is only list. If you want hash map you have to take. Map dot of is then that is you can convert into hash map. But list you cannot. That's what 3 separate. List is there, set is there, map is there. List you can convert into array list and linked list. Set you can convert into hash set, linked hash set, tree set. Map you can convert into hash map, linked hash map, tree map. So like this only set you can write, map you can write. Off method is instance method or class method? Class method. Class method in which interface? List interface. But is it possible to write class method in list interfaces? Yes or no? Yes. In which feature introduced that one? Java 8. That is Java 8 only came, no? And this is Java 9. That's not possible. Java 8 only static methods in interface. You studied, no? That is the reason possible. This is Java 9 feature. But Java 8 only came static method in interface. Say, if you want to add like this 10 elements, 10 lines you have to write. Previous version. Now 1 line. Previous version 10 lines you have to write. Now I added 7 elements, 7 lines. So like this only, set you can do it. Map you can do it. List place set. List place map. Array list place hash set, linked hash set, tree set. Map, hash map, linked hash map, tree map. So this off method is new concept. Remaining all same. Off method is new concept. With this off method, n number of elements you can add at a time. But previously add every line 10 elements. If you want to add 10 times, you have to write. Now one time only you can write. That is a new concept. Is it over? Next, private methods in interface. Next node, third feature, private methods in interface. This feature allows to write private concrete methods in interface. This feature allows to write private concrete methods in interface. This feature allows to write private concrete methods in interface. So previously public only allowed. Now private also allowed. Interface by default public, no? But here private also we can add. See? Is it over? See? One interface I'll take. Interface test. Private void show. System.out.println. Suppose Naresh I technologies. No, I written. But how to call this method? Is it instance method or class method? Is it instance method or class method? Instance method. How many ways to access? What are those? Can we create object to interface? No. Now I want to call this method. How to call? How to call? What is it? Creating demo object. Now that means here what we require? Implements test. Okay. Demo D equal to new demo. Is it valid? Why it is not valid? It is private. Then what we have to do? We cannot override also. It is not valid, no? Why it is not valid? Private. You cannot access outside. But I want to call that method. How to call? That is private method. Within that interface only you can access. Outside the interface not possible to access. But how to access? No getter. No getter, no setter. I want to call that method. Private variable is there, setter getter will write. It is method. Is it valid? This method, is it valid method? This feature when it is introduced? 1.8. Now, can I call that display method here? Yes or no? You can call display. Here. Can I call show here? Yes or no? Yes. Implicitly this dot show. Possible no? So if you want to write private method, compulsory one default method you have to write. Otherwise not possible. Because this method how to call you already studied. D dot display. It comes here. Here implicitly this dot show. You can access. Now see demo class object created. That object referred by D with the D dot display. It is super interface. This method you can call. This is public. You can access. This is private. You cannot access. Here you can access. In the same interface you can access. Here implicitly this dot show. Control comes here. This is Naresh technology printed. After that Amirpet Hyderabad printed. See. This is example of private method. Okay. Write this one. Example. Private method in interface. Example. Actually, they are planning to remove abstract class. That's what these concepts are coming. Then only class and interface will be there in future. Is it over? Last one, try with resource statement enhancements. Try with resource statement enhancements. This is already over. I'll explain again. This feature allows to write try with resource statement in a new way. See, try with resource statement alternative to which concept? Finally block. We written like this. If more than one resource is there, actually like this we written, try with the resource. Like this we written, but more than one resource is there, it is complicated appears. Like this you have to write. It is complicated appears. That's what new way came. See, try, parenthesis, one resource, semicolon, second resource, parenthesis. But instead of writing like this, the above code can be written from JDK 1.9 onwards as follows. New style. What is the new style? I'll show you. What you can do is, first you can write like this. Next, try FIS semicolon FOS. Now here total object you have to write, but here only references you have to write. New style. So instead of writing this type, new type this one. Objects you can create outside. Inside only you have to write object references. It is new style. That is enhanced. That is modified like. So instead of writing this type, new style, like this you can write. Their complete object you have to create, but here only reference you have to pass. Is it over? Now next, Java 10 features. Local variable type inference. This feature allows to store any type of data in a var type variable. This only one feature is there. Only one feature. Java 10. This feature allows to store any type of data in a var type variable. This feature allows to store any type of data in a var type variable. See, integer a equal to 5, float b equal to like this 3.5f, char c equal to some x, like this. No need to write. System.out.println a, system.out.println b, system.out.println c. Now instead of writing like this var, so it is not full-fledged, not released, only for local variable. In future, instance variable, class variable, everything comes, no, type conversion 56 are there, no, that is not required. In future, present, you have to follow. It is only local variable. See, file, save. Next, write it. Example, note. Inference means allowing. It is allowing for local variable only. This feature applicable for local variable only. This feature applicable for local variables only. It is not applicable for instance variable, class variable, local variables only. Day by day they'll extend. No, first release it like this. In future they'll extend. Next version may comes further, or they may cancel. We have to wait and see. Now it is applicable only for local variable. In future they may introduce it for instance variable, class variable. If they introduce, what will happen is primitive data types not required, conversions not required. That is their planning, but not released. Is it over? This feature applicable for local variables only. See, now in here integer, floating point number, character, var only. Next, Java 11 features. Local variable type inference for lambda parameters. Second one, compiling and running Java program with single command. Local variable type inference for lambda parameters. Only two features. This feature allows to write var type variable as a lambda parameter. Example, this feature allows to write var type variable as a lambda parameter. This feature is no use. Why? I'll explain. See, you already studied lambda. Suppose at functional interface test void add integer a integer b. For this lambda, how to write? Give me answer. Test t equal to what you are writing? Bracket a comma b. After that, system dot out dot b is not returning. System dot out dot println a plus b. After that, t dot add. Okay. Now this is already you studied. This already you studied. Okay. Here where allowed. Actually, without writing also better, no? But it is allowed. File, save. Now also it will compile. Now also it will execute. But actually that feature is no use. Without writing only possible. Okay. This one. So here where allowed. That is lambda parameter. In Java 17, Java 18 new features not came. 14, 15, 16 features only finalized. Previously preview version was there, finalized in 17, 18. Over. Now see, next one, compiling and running Java program with single command. This feature allows to compile This feature allows to compile and run the Java program with single command as follows. See, generally what we'll do, compilation, Java C, demo.java, execution, Java demo. But here, Java demo.java. If you write like this, compiled and executed. Actually, what we are writing, Java C, demo.java. After that, Java demo. Two types we are writing. But what we are writing, see now, Java demo.java. Then compiled and executed. Now compiled and executed at a time. I'll show you. See, in my system, now this program is demo.java. Now here already .class file generated. That is the reason Java demo, if I write executed, I'll delete .class file, delete demo.class, deleted. Now if I run, what will happen? Error, because the class is not there. Okay. See, now generally what we are doing, Java C demo.java. Then what is happened? .class generated, Java demo, then executed. Like this we are doing. Now I'll delete .class file again. Now if I run Java demo, it's an error. But if you run like this, 1 minute. This interface is 1 minute, but only one class required. Suppose now you observe compilation, execution. Welcome. Now I'll delete .class file. .class file deleted. If I run, error. If I run like this, so compiled and executed, but .class file not generated. So see, in this approach, see demo, just if you write Java demo, still error. Reason .class not there. So in this approach, .class file is not generated. Write it. In this approach, .class file not generated. See, you can save your hard disk space. You can compile, run, and hard disk space you can save. No, .class file is not going to be stored in hard disk. But without .class file, program is not possible in Java. Bytecode generated, executed, after getting output, it is vanished. That is temporarily in RAM only. That's what .class file not generated. Now only one class is allowed for this.
In future, maybe. Present only one class should be there. Test demo, if it is there, it is not coming, you observe. Now, up to here, Java 11 completed. Java 12 to Java 18. This is one video is there. Recently, I have taken seminar. That video link I'll share in Google Classroom. Java 12 to 18. Java up to 16 I taught that one. 17, 18, new features not came. Old features only finalized. So actually, preview version will be there. First they'll introduce. Before finalizing only they will release. After finalizing, it is called standard version. See? Suppose if you type Java 18 features, if you type latest version, it is official documentation. This is here you observe. It is called second preview. Second preview. That means still it is not finalized. Still it is not finalized. That means the feature introduced in 16 only. But in 18 also, second preview came. Suppose, see the feature name pattern matching of switch. See, 12th, Java 12. Here, switch expressions, first preview. Preview version, not finalized. 13 also it appears. See, switch expression, still it is preview only. 14. See, switch expression standard. That means in the 12th version introduced, 14th version standard. Standard means you can use in real time. Preview means you should not use. Like that, up to 18. Features are 17, 18, new features not came. Old features only finalized. Okay. This 12 to 18 features, I'll share the video link in Google Classroom. You can watch. Up to here, course is completed, but my duty completed. Your duty not completed. Until you reach your target, you have to practice, practice, practice. Okay. For getting more knowledge, my notes you refer first of all. Next, Java 2 complete reference book also you can refer. Next, Sun Microsystem, nothing but now Oracle. Oracle, Sun Java tutorials. These all you can refer. For getting more knowledge, SCJP by Kathy Sira. This book also you can refer. It is the best book for getting core Java more knowledge. SCJP by Kathy Sira. Okay. So first you refer my notes, you refer complete reference, you refer Oracle tutorials, SCJP by Kathy Sira book. This book is still old version book only available. Introducing books, it takes more time. Now still 11th version book only available. Up to 18 not available. Okay. Because new version day by day it will come. Day by day. Say these 4 you refer. Still if you get any doubt, you can mail to my mail ID. Okay. I'm wishing you all the best for your career. Okay. New Advanced Java. Those who are interested to learn Advanced Java batch on 25th May at same time, 7:30 p.m. New Advanced Java batch on 25th May at 7:30 p.m. Those who are interested in Advanced Java, you can join on 25th May, 7:30. Okay. So once again, all the best. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. Selenium batch, you can join. You can join. Urja only prerequisite for learning Selenium. You can join. Okay. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID.